Stadler trains are economical, based on state-of-the-art technology, and ensure maximum comfort for passengers and drivers. The AFRO4000 diesel-electric locomotives are used for freight and passenger transport. These 23-meter-long locomotives are the most powerful diesel-electric locomotives in Europe and Africa. These locomotives are powered by an extremely reliable and maintenance-friendly 16-cylinder EMD 16710 G3B turbocharged diesel engine, which, when at a maximum 900 revolutions per minute, can churn out a whopping 3,187 kilowatts or 4,000 horsepower, allowing these behemoths to reach a top pulling speed of 120 kilometers an hour. It is a real workhorse and can run for up to 2,000 kilometers non-stop. The AFRO4000 is the first choice, where lots of traction force is required. It is a 6-axle locomotive, which comes with a track gauge of 1,067 millimeters, specifically engineered to South African rail gauge. These locomotives can be used in Southern and Central Africa, Indonesia, Japan, Taiwan, Philippines, parts of Australia, New Zealand, Honduras, and Costa Rica. The locomotive is designed in order to run single or multiple operation, with single control up to 3 locomotives. When operating in this mode, all locomotives will be simultaneously controlled from the leading locomotive by intercommunicating with the locomotive control circuits through the multiple units located in the front of the leading locomotive. The operation control of these locomotives is performed by state-of-the-art computer system. The computer detects and warns about most locomotives' fault conditions through messages on the display located on the desk and through audible alarms. It also records failure messages and significant information in a file memory. This is useful for obtaining a permanent record of events and failures for corrective maintenance. The locomotive has a co-axle configuration, 2-cab design, DC main and auxiliary generators, and an AC auxiliary alternator with 6 DC traction motors. While the majority of South African mainline electric locomotives to date have been dual-cab units, the 2-cab design is a new feature on South African mainline diesel-electric locomotives. It allows travel in both directions without the requirement for turning facilities at terminals. The locomotive's brake system has been modified so that the driver can isolate the locomotive's brakes from the train's brakes in situations where it's not necessary to activate the whole train. The locomotive is also equipped with a state-of-the-art communication system and global positioning system to allow the railway to keep track of each train at all times. A GSM data transmission system ensures that any maintenance and repair work required is immediately relayed to the maintenance depots, thereby minimizing downtime. Minimum maintenance and repair costs are made possible by a modular design which permits easy assembly, disassembly, and complete module replacements with easy access to components. The locomotive provides optimum driving conditions with a spacious cab which offers the driver unobstructed external vision. The cab is separately air-conditioned to assure agreeable conditions for the driver and feature fire protection. The windscreen is shock-resistant to further enhance the driver's safety and also ensures minimum noise levels in the cab. An integrated crash system ensures that both the driver and the locomotive are protected in the event of a collision. Like many contemporary European locomotives, which only require one crew member driving from a central position, the AFRO4000 was originally designed with only one centrally positioned seat. As a result of trade union pressure, another seat had to be added at a later stage, which resulted in a cab design which has both seats occupying not much more than half of the cab area. Contact WH Auctions for more information on the AFRO4000 locomotives that are up for auction in 2019.